Hey guys, this is Nathan Hinckley here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to perform a factory reset on your Audio Shockerz true wireless stereo earbuds. Now there might be a couple reasons why you might have to do a factory reset. For example, your earbuds may be in single earbud mode and you need to repair them back together. Maybe the left earbud isn't pairing with the right earbud, or if there's any other connectivity issues, a factory reset will resolve almost all of them. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to perform a factory reset. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your device. In this video I'm using an iPhone 10. So you're going to go ahead and power it on, and then you're going to swipe up or just get to your home screen, and then you're going to go to settings. You're going to go to Bluetooth. You're going to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. If it's turned off, it will show a gray or a white symbol like this. So just go ahead and make sure you tap that, turn it on, and then make sure that all instances of Audio Shockerz are removed. You may have multiple instances of Audio Shockerz TWS, which might happen if you have multiple pairs of earbuds that you pair with this device, or have recently gone into single earbud and paired both earbuds at the same time. So we're just going to make sure that we hit this little I button here and hit forget this device. And you're going to hit forget device. All right, now that that's cleared off and all other instances are gone, we're going to go ahead and turn off Bluetooth. I'm going to set the phone down and just turn off the screen. We won't need it for a second. Go ahead and make sure your earbuds are in the charging case and that they are charging as so. And then you're going to go ahead and grab both the earbuds. They're going to turn on like so. They're going to flash blue. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your thumb. In this case, I'm going to doing the left earbud. And you're going to place it over the earbud and press on it until it flashes red a couple times. Okay, and you saw. So in this case, both of them flash red. That means they both powered off. You might have to do the right earbud as well, especially if they're not connected to each other, and that's totally okay. You just repeat the process for the right earbud so that they are both powered off. Alright, so now we're just going to have the left earbud here, and all we're going to do is we're going to take our thumb again and hold and press on that logo for several seconds. It's going to momentarily flash blue, and you're just going to keep holding. Alright, now you see that it's flashing blue and red. That means it's in pairing mode. So we can go ahead and set that earbud down. We'll go ahead and grab the other earbud. And then you're going to do the same thing. Press and hold on the logo for several seconds. It's going to flash blue, and it's going to flash blue and red temporarily. And there you go. Alright, so you'll know they're paired back to each other when the left earbud is going to momentarily flash blue as shown, and the right earbud is flashing red-blue repeatedly. That means these earbuds are synced together and they're ready to pair to your device. So we're going to go ahead and set these down right here, and then we're going to take our device again. We're going to open it up, and then we're going to go ahead and turn back on Bluetooth like so, and there we see Audio Shockerz TWS. If you see two or more instances show up, go ahead and try a factory reset again, and make sure that you follow the steps as closely as possible so that you get the best results. Alright, so now you're going to go ahead and tap on Audio Shockerz TWS, and as you'll see, it will say connected, and we'll know that it's connected because when you pick up the earbuds, you'll see that they're both flashing blue. That means they're connected. You could also test it out by playing a song on your phone and tapping the earbud. It will play pause, and then test it again on the right earbud, play pause. And so that's how you do a factory reset. It's pretty simple, and it will actually solve most issues regarding connectivity. Alright, well that's all for this video. I hope that helped you with any problems you might have. If you still are having issues or have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Just make sure to go to audioshockers.com and you'll find links to our customer service profiles. And on behalf of the Audio Shockerz team, we hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks.